Yo, what the deal? This your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And today, I'm gonna be showing y'all a little something on Fruity Loops right quick, man. This is something that I know has happened to y'll a whole lot, man. Has Fruity Loops ever crashed on you? I know it has, bro. I know it has, and you was sitting there like thinking like,
Oh, this I just did, bro. But how I'ma get it, bro? How I'ma get it back, bro? I don't even want to do beats no more, bro. I'm out.
man, just chill, bro. I'm gonna show you how to get it, bro. I'm gonna show you how to pull the session back up. You know what I'm saying? But before we do it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell, man, so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. So look, this is what you do right here. I'm gonna show y'all two ways that y'all can get to it. The first way I'm gonna show y'all is inside of FL Studio, where it actually happens at. So you open up Fruity Loops and then you go to File. And then you can go to Revert to Last Backup. And once you click on that, it's gonna just load up, right? Now, that's probably the easiest way to do it. However, there is another way to do it. You go to your Finder and you go to your Documents folder. Now, in your Documents folder is gonna be the Image Line folder, which will have all of the Fruity Loop stuff. So then what you wanna do is you can go to Projects and you can go to Backup, and that's where all the autosave is. So look, I hope this video helps y'all, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up on everything that we doing, man. Y'all be cool. How y'all be cool, man. Peace.